Yep.
Alright, can you put it back to...
Yeah.
Okay. It's like, all these people getting scared.
Who is this freak?
Oh, no. So jersey. Yeah, so I got the jersey first, eh? So we got Hamilton, Kobe Bryant. Two
Kobe
Kobe's.
Bryant again. That's a numbered one. 99.
Chris Bosh.
Oh, sure, I went first.
I gave you the opportunity.
Oh, okay.
That's quite a good pack, that one.
That's a big hit.
Yeah, alright, there you go.
Yeah. This has got an auto as well.
Yeah. It was doing one pack each. How's it going?
John Stockton.
John Stockton.
Is that first pack?
Cook.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, who that?
Eamon, Morris Eamon.
What do you get? Oh, an auto. Is that it?
That sucks.
No more autos.
Damn it.
Have you opened yours yet?
Bird is
Yeah,
worth
I
a
got
bit.
this one.
Is it just the first pack?
That's great.
First two packs.
Alright,
Oh, my go now.
there you go.
Okay, so this is a
Oh,
piece.
Kobe base.
Two Kobe's.
So 2 autos from 2 packs.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah. So,
And a Bosch.
that was the first one too, and we were like arguing over
8 of 9.
who opened the first one.
8 of 9's what? Kobe?
No,
No.
the Bosch.
Chris Bosh.
Shit. 8 of 9, man.
Yeah.
8 of 9.
Okay.
That's
cool.
rare.
Oh, LeBron James. Yeah.
Got good bases.
Ray Allen. One Carlos Navarro. Nick Young. One colour. Magic Johnson. Not bad.
This.
Yeah, that's not as good as the first
I've got a first.
Bit of not as good. Alright. Something
Jersey.
Packs and
Moses. Chris Richards. Marbury.
Is anyone still collecting Marbury these days? It used to be like a lot of
Robinson.
people.
Josh Smith.
there's a few people, but
Should have went first.
oh, this one's a good one.
This looks like a thick pack.
This is heat big, man.
Looks like a patch.
You like it? Thank you, man. Okay. Oh, can't open. Alright. Oh,
Let's look at the side.
oh.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, let's go from the bottom. Chris Bosh again, so I might start collecting him. Bill Russell,
Like collecting Chris Bosch.
Baron Davis.
Ramon Sessions.
Big little
Oh,
Little dent. Oh, that's pretty nice.
yeah.
What's the number 2?
thing. Number
12-9.
2, 9 again.
Wow.
Yeah.
For the boss
Yeah, two from 3.
Yeah.
It's not that big.
Man, this box is rigged.
Looks like you're getting ripped this time.
Hey, do you need some scissors? That's it.
Well, don't worry. I can use this side.
Yeah, I'll get scissors.
That's done.
Must need it.
It's alright.
Yeah.
No need to be desperate yet.
Man, I like
Many hits to come.
many hits, many more hits. Oh, that's
1 hit per pack.
Wade.
Yep, got a one that's rival
Wait.
Yao Ming.
Roy.
Got a little dent patch. And a Chris Bosch
Aaron Green.
auto jersey.
Obvious.
Paul Pierce.
Paul Pierce.
What's the number?
This is
Single
the,
jersey.
Third pack.
Low number.
Not much.
27.
Yeah.
Is this where the big pull is?
Oh, it's a pretty good pick.
Short change.
Wow.
Here comes Gary again.
Yep.
Some good shit.
See, mine's a triple patch, so I'm putting the price on it. That's a nice card.
So have you figured out the price yet?
Tell what price them. So Eddie Curry, Dominic Maguire,
150.
Daquan Cook,
Well, it's 40 with the patch just normally. So it's a
Jason
triple
Duncan.
patch, so it's probably at least 80. It'd have to be.
Carmelo. Okay. Yes. And then what's the other pack? It's just the
Stickers.
other good one.
Another good one.
Yeah.
Other good one's pretty good.
Have you got any rookie any number 19 rookie cards now?
No. I've only got like really base rookies.
Elevation autograph.
That's a nice colour.
What's this number?
9.
Might start collecting.
If I collected Chris Bosch, I'd be
Yes.
pissed right now. That's a nice card.
Yes.
Hold it.
Low numbered Mountain.
That's one. 1 hour
That's a
49.
low
What's the
one.
number 2?
49.
I want that.
That's a rookie auto.
Oh, oh.
Let's go.
I got the rookie patch autograph number 5 of that one. He's gold. You guys are going to be good in 10 years' time.
He's going to
He's a nice card,
be a
right?
politician team, so
He'll be a good coach.
good coach.
You're busting the whole lot.
Oh, have the check. Have the check.
Oh, let's see.
Corey Brewer and 999. Chris Paul.
Nice.
Chris Paul's good.
Number, what's the number?
179. Murray
Even that's
and
really
Jason Kidd. Alright. So we're getting down to the final stretch here.
You might be able to get rid of that Sprewell finally, Gary, hey?
Another jersey.
I mean, you got 2 autos. You got 2 autos more than me. So what do you get? Jermaine O'Neal, Lording, Conley, the triple.
Nick Young again.
Again?
It's
Okay.
the same card again, did you?
Start collecting them.
It's a size.
Alright, this one, alright, that's a good one, that one. I can just feel it.
How many packs like 2?
Yeah, so 1 each for each.
Where's the printing plate?
Yeah, Deron Williams, Brandon Wright, 999, Billups, Jewel, out of 79, Ming, Bibby.
The main numbers.
Lucky loss.
No. This is quite nice, these blocks.
Thanks for value, I reckon.
Yeah.
Really good value. You got like auto and a nice
You got a
patch
jersey,
for the other night.
jersey or a order on every pack, pretty much.
You got jersey auto and the double patch.
But you got the 2 rookie autos, so there's 1 more auto that you should have got. Andrea?
Oh, it's an auto.
Chris Paul.
Dudley, you can't.
Dudley
What
rookie.
is it?
99. Another jersey.
Strawberry. It's a horse.
Gold.
No remnants.
So, no more.
That's
Appreciate
it.
it.